Blessed fam, and welcome back to another video. Today is Monday, December 11th. Welcome to day 11 of Vlogmas 2023. We have a lot going on today, per the usual. We'll be decorating the office, not doing too much in the office, just a couple things here and there. We're not gonna ramble too much. I don't wanna take up too much time. I wanna get into it because we have a lot to do. All right, let's go ahead and begin. I do need to cut this tag off because I never put them out when I bought them last year. Yeah, I think I like putting that one there, like the angel behind me as I work. And this chair is not my office chair. This is a chair in the loft / lounge area, aka my nephew's game area, because the chair for my office has some loose screws. I know it had gotten loose when we were moving, but I think she might have gained a couple extra pounds. Anyway, it didn't fall apart or anything like that, but I could feel that if I did not catch it, we would have been in some trouble. So it has a special type of screw. Let me show you. A special type of screw. So I just need to find the wrench for it to screw the others in. I took one of them out, two came out, and that one was still in. So we were basically dealing with a two out of 4 situation. Your girl would have been down for the count. Okay? Your girl would have been down for the count if I didn't catch it. Anyway, shout out to the float narrow bookcase. Comment down below if you remember that project. Looking so good. I think I'm gonna move that artwork to the media console table, media storage console, and then put another piece up here because it's just, yeah, the dark wood with the trees. I like it, but prefer to do that on a white piece of furniture, all white furniture, and then have the white framed artwork. Long story short, I'm gonna show you in a minute. Let's go ahead and finish decorating. I'm probably gonna do a full reveal with the house tour that's coming up, but I want to show you like just little things I'm doing in certain spaces around the house. Okay, let's keep working. right, that's a wrap. If you're hearing that TV in the background, that's my mom watching her show. She's back, honey, and I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and go downstairs and start assembling the chandelier. Well, I started it last night, but actually no, I took out most of the stuff last night and I put one stem onto the base. But let's go ahead and finish assembling it before the electrician comes to install later today. So excited. All right, let's go. Bye. So the electrician is not able to install the chandelier today because he didn't have the tool that he would probably need to check and make sure that there are no beams in between. Long story short, I went with TaskRabbit. He has installed other items for me in my home via TaskRabbit, so I trust his work. But because of the structure, like behind the sheetrock or behind, like, you know, above or inside the ceiling, he needed an extra tool that he did not have with him. So long story short, we're not getting the chandelier installed today. I'd be lying if I didn't say I wasn't disappointed, because I actually had to wait a little bit today. I do have electricians on my team, but they're both contracted right now for other projects. They're both working on current projects. So I think I'm just gonna wait a couple days, see how I feel. And I will let you know when it's being installed, because it's going up before Christmas, okay? I don't care how, but it's going up. And in true form, my coffee is in the microwave beeping. Every time I'm on the camera with y'all, something's beeping. So yeah, I had to warm up coffee because that drained me, okay? That moment drained me. But today, I'm not gonna say today drained me. We're gonna move on because we have some Amazon packages that just came in. I'm probably gonna haul them. Maybe I'll haul them today. Yeah, let's haul them today. Let's just do a mini Amazon haul. And it's exciting because they have to do with lighting. So anyway, let me get my coffee out of the microwave and then let's do this quick little Amazon haul. All right, see you in a little bit. Okay, so I know I said that a lot of it had to do with lighting, but we're gonna haul these two items first. This is the rug from Amazon, the black rug, and it's more like a runner, y'all. It's not, this is the next largest size, and it does not, look at this. It goes from like here, it's like 20 something. Let me put the camera down so you can see. I don't know why I'm holding it up. Let me show y'all. So I think I'm gonna go with the small ones because look, y'all, the next biggest size is not what I thought it was, because I was like eager. It's a runner. It's not gonna work for that powder room. So I think I'm just gonna go with this. This one I'm gonna put upstairs in my bathroom because it's like a lot of white walls, shower, tub, cabinets, countertop. This will break up all the white up there. I wish I would have gotten this in black. I don't know, I don't feel like waiting and exchanging. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with this small rectangular rug. It's a mini mat for the powder room and just call it a day. But I can use this upstairs in the bathroom, so maybe getting 3 more of these, so like one sink, the second sink, and then in front of the shower. But for the holidays, just use it now downstairs. And this, she is going back. I don't know, I'll see if I could put this in the bathroom somewhere upstairs. If not, she's going back. All right, let's go ahead to our lighting. All right, so first up, this is the AAA Performance Alkaline Batteries from Amazon Basics. So excited about these. I actually ordered these a week ago and they were delivered to somebody else. And they had the nerve to say, the driver had the nerve to say that I signed for it with some crazy initials. So that's how I knew it was a lie. Either they took it, stole it, or delivered it to the wrong place. But anyway, I have these now, and I'm excited because now we can continue with our bookshelf, living room bookshelf lighting. I did like a top shelf. Actually, I decorated the entire bookcase, but the top shelf is the only one that had the light because I didn't have enough batteries. I ran out of AAA batteries. I'll insert a little video here to show you what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen that video, I'll be sure to link it down below in the description box as well. But we'll be continuing with the rest of our living room updates, and this will be one of them. Putting the AAA batteries in the remaining puck lights in the bookcase for holiday styling. I'm gonna keep the lights in there, you know, permanently, but it's gonna be so beautiful with those lights showcased over all of the items that we put in there for the Christmas season. And then the best part is that it's remote controlled. You can, like, you know, turn them off and on by clicking on them, but I love the fact that it has a remote control, so I could just use the remote, hit a click, and all the lights will come on. So excited, so excited. All right, next up is AA batteries, same Amazon Basics brand. I'll be using these, you know, remote controls, especially, oh my gosh, well, not especially, remote controls, but I love the batteries, especially for my under cabinet kitchen lighting. Each of the white pucks underneath the kitchen cabinets hold about 3, so they tend to, you know, if I buy a box, it tends to go through quickly, but the good thing is that they last a long time. So I've had the lights in there since I did the fall kitchen makeover, and that's been some months. Yeah, so anyway, glad to have batteries. And I found this cute organizer for batteries, and you can like test out. I'll probably do that in another haul. I haven't purchased it yet, but just to kind of organize my batteries so that they're not in boxes like this. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. And then next up, so we did the office earlier, and I showed the chandelier. Well, if you've been here, you saw, you know, when I had that installed by the same TaskRabbit electrician. But this time around, when I was decorating, I decided to kind of turn the lights on just to kind of see, you know, how I was feeling about the warm lighting. And I think I'm just going to stick with my original mind, and that is to replace those bulbs upstairs in the chandelier with daylight candelabra LED bulbs. This is a pack of 5. So the one upstairs uses, I think, 4 or 5. And then I bought another pack of 5 for the chandelier that was supposed to be installed today. We're gonna move on. But yeah, I am super excited about these because they are not warm light, they are daylight. Okay, so they're gonna get that bright, crisp, clean lighting that makes you feel like, you know, it's daytime even at night. Well, not really, but you know, you get what I'm saying. The bulbs give a daytime feel even when the sun's down. And the good thing about that is that filming, it's not like that cheesy yellowy type of, you know, background or tint on the videos. So trying to do better for 2024, and having crisp, clean light for videotaping and content creating is key. So this is the second box. And then last but not least is these LED recess lights. So I'll show you overhead. I'm sitting in the dining room. There are 2 over the dining room table, and the chandelier is gonna go in between. And then in the kitchen, there are 4 recess lights, and then I have the 2 pendant lights hanging over the kitchen island. The thing is that all the recess lights give off warm lighting, but then my 2 pendant lights over the kitchen island, they give off that crisp daylight feel. And I think it's because of the bulbs that I bought that I put in, because those bulbs I think maybe have been replaced once since I've been here, and I've been here almost, like, yeah, February will be 2 years. February 2024 will be 2 years. So it's all about the bulb, and I am tired of having warm and crisp white daylight lighting in my kitchen and dining room area. I want everything to be uniform. So I cannot wait to get these in tomorrow. So excited. It's the 5000K 11 watt equivalent to 65 watt daylight Sunco lighting recessed bulbs. So this is a pack of 12. Like I said, there are 2 over the dining room, 4 over the kitchen area, and then upstairs in the loft there are 4 or 6 lights up there. So up there we'll have bright lighting as well. We're changing all the lights, and I'll be showcasing that in tomorrow's Vlogmas. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm so excited. I mean, even though we had a letdown today, we still had Amazon came through. Amazon came through, and we had a win, and I'm so excited. All right, let me go ahead and switch out this wreath in the foyer area. I changed my mind about the wreath, child. I'm bringing the wreath that's outside inside and the wreath that's inside outside. Yeah, this was a good decision. I love it. I love it. Ooh. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.